Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you how to download Nmap. Okay, so open Google and type Nmap download and hit enter. So open the link, which will be generally the first link from nmap.org. So click this link. It should take you to this page. And based on your operating system, you have to download the software. So I am clicking Windows and it took me to Microsoft Windows binaries, and the software you have to download is this Nmap 7.94 setup.exe. So just click this link and download will start like this. Okay, so I am stopping it as I have already downloaded it. Right. So this is how you can download Nmap software. So in the next video, you are going to see how to install this software and also see the interface for Genmap. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thank you.